Hey guys, so I'm back again with another wig install, and today's hair comes from Kriyya Hair. They sent over this beautiful lace frontal wig with these highlight portions in it, y'all. I'm here for it. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Alright, so this is what the unit looks like coming straight out of the packaging. You see that it does have a frontal, and it has 3 combs in it. There's 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps as well. So the unit already comes with like this middle part portion already basically molded into the hair. So I'm going to stick with the middle part. I thought about doing a side part, but the middle part was just calling my name. So, oh yeah. Let's also acknowledge the fact that I'm recording in a different area. I just felt like doing something a little bit different. I really want to give y'all like a different vibe, scenery, whatever. So I tried. I did this little attempt in my mirror, and I really do like how the footage came out. I do want to get like better lighting, but besides that, we can see all that is being done, and you see where the hair stops whilst I am standing. So just installing the unit, I'm using my wax stick just to get the hair molded, pushed back so we won't have any flyaways or any edges that will get mixed in with my glue and spray. And I also am plucking out some of the hairline just a little bit, just to thin it out a little bit more, since I knew I wanted to add some baby hairs. So to hold the wig in place, I am going to use the Got2b spray, the yellow can, and just kind of get that unit to stay and hold right there in that area. And I'm going to continue molding it in place, getting the roots as flat as possible with my hot comb. The hot comb is key. It is so helpful with getting your units installed without any issues. So now I'm just going to blow dry that down, make sure it is nice and dry so we won't have any issues with any lifting, shifting, or moving. And then I'm just going to comb out the edges that I am going to use. And then I'm going to repeat those same steps on the other side as well. Now this unit does come with baby hairs, but I am going to pull a little bit more hair out and then just cut them down. All right, so once I get those edges cut down, then I'm going to take the Got2b gel, the one in the black container, and just give myself a little bit of swoop action, about 2 swoops on each side. But keep in mind, you can wear this unit without baby hairs, you guys. Like, that is certainly possible to install it that way. I just wanted to add some baby hairs this time. And y'all, this lace melted into the skin really well. I didn't use any makeup coloring or tint spray at all with the lace, but it blended, melted into the skin so well. And then I'm just going to go back in with my hot comb, just making sure I get the roots really, really flat. We want to lay as flat as possible. And then I'm going to add a little bit of makeup to that parting space. And then I'm going to comb it out and straighten it out with a flat iron, just adding a little bit of loose curls to it. I didn't want it to be too perfect. I just wanted it to have a little less wave to it and more of a straight and loose curl. And I am going to cut just a little bit of layer in the front of the unit because I didn't want the bang portion to be as long as it was. So I'm just going to fix that by thinning it out and cutting a little bit of layers into it. And then I'm going to repeat this same method on the other side as well. And then making sure that parting space is visible using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I do a little bit of finishing touches here and there with my hot comb and some additional products that I mentioned before. But that's all you need to do, or that's all I did. And it's a very easy process to follow, I feel. So if you guys do try out this hair or try out this style, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about this hair. Leave a thumbs up as well. And if you are not subscribed and you got to the end of this video, I hope you feel the need to subscribe now and continue to come back for more videos. I thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you again to Kriyya Hair for sending over today's hair. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.